Alright guys, so as you can see behind me, we're all loaded up and we're getting ready to head out to see Trey up at DunRight and go ahead and chop this sucker in half. Get ready to do a bunch of race truck stuff finally. We got everything torn down yesterday and put back together, ready to roll out. So anyways, we can head over there, see what he's got going on, kind of go over the plans for this thing and probably go ahead and get started on it. So we'll hit the road. Alright, so just got back from spending the day up there at Trey's and working on the regular cab. We got everything unloaded, got it pulled up in the shop. We started fabbing up everything for getting the outriggers mounted for the main hoop of the roll bar. Got a few more things taken out, like the e-brake and things like that were in the way, but nothing major. Also started getting the truck leveled to help with getting everything set right for the roll bar. So while I'm off at work this week, Trey's going to be working on the roll cage, and hopefully by the end of the week we'll have a full roll cage finished up in that truck. Also, if you noticed, we were pulling the race truck around for the first time. I got to sit in the driver's seat, which was a 5-gallon bucket. But anyways, we pulled it over to the weigh scales and weighed it, and if I remember right, it was 3,160 pounds. That is a regular cab truck, no bed, no front clip, no interior whatsoever, no engine, transmission, whatever. So we're going to do our thing with it, shed as much weight out of it as we can, and we'll get another weight on it afterwards and see how much weight we actually got out of the truck. So anyways, hopefully this weekend I can get over there and help him work on it a little bit more, get a little more footage of the process and what all goes into building a truck of this standard. So anyways, until then, thank you guys for watching and following along. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank y'all.